Looking for unique Gothic-themed gifts this holiday season? Welcome to wickedcrow.com, your one-stop shop for all things dark and festive. From our Skull and Roses Christmas tree skirt to cute Gothic snowman wrapping paper, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to uncover the darkly delightful surprises we have in store for you. First up, we have our funny skeleton Christmas lights sweatshirt, perfect for those chilly winter nights. Next, let's not forget about our four-legged friends with our stylish Wicked Crow dog collar. Moving on, wrap your gifts with a twist using our creepy fun skeleton wrapping paper, boasting several light-hearted designs that are sure to get a laugh from everyone gathered around the tree. Choose your favorites and let the fun begin. But that's not all. We have even more to show you. Our Gothic girl mug is a must-have for any coffee or tea lover, boasting the inspirational quote, "In the depths of the shadows, find the strength to shine your brightest." Next, we have the Gothic Skull and Cross t-shirt, a striking piece for your own wardrobe, or to give as a gift to that special dark soul on your list. For those seeking holiday decor with an edge, the Skulls and Roses Gothic Christmas tree skirt will put a chilling twist on your holiday festivities. And don't forget to wrap your gifts with a whimsical twist. This cute Gothic snowman Christmas wrapping paper is going to make anyone smile. And we're not done yet. We have more dark treasures to reveal. Dive into the summer with our Skull and Roses pattern bikini swimsuit. Heads will turn when this haunting design shows up on the beach. Step into the dark side with our Welcome to the Shadows doormat. Your guests will be greeted with the darkest welcome. Or protect your phone with style using our chillingly inspirational iPhone case. Just pick the model you need. Carry your world in our soothingly eerie weekender tote bag with a hauntingly captivating blackbird and castle design. And don't forget to cuddle up with our super cozy Skull and Roses Gothic pillow and matching fleece blanket. These are just a few of the unique gifts you can find at wickedcrow.com. So, whether you're shopping for a Gothic fashion enthusiast or looking for something a bit more unique this holiday season, Wicked Crow has you covered. From hilariously spooky Christmas wrapping paper to Gothic-inspired apparel, our holiday collection is as diverse as it is unique. You can find links below to immerse yourself into the designs from the dark side. Remember, at wickedcrow.com, Gothic meets festive. Hauntingly happy shopping.